Good morning. I hope you are well. I hope you slept well today. I'm sorry, manners. My name is Christina. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new here, I am Two Girl. So thank you for helping me to join my journey. It is now 7:35, and I have just dropped my children off to school, and I have a few things to follow up that I washed from earlier. So let's fold these up and start the day. Good morning, guys. It is a really gloomy, cloudy day, but I am a morning person. I really love the mornings. I love the sound of laundry going. I love the sound of my fish tank running. It's just very peaceful and tranquil. I just dropped off my kids, and I've always kind of been a morning person. If you have a Caribbean family, you know you can't sleep in at all, at all. If you know Caribbean people do not let you sleep. There's no sleep in the morning. We have things to do. You're lazy, or what is the problem? Why aren't you out of bed yet? Go take up a book. Go clean up your room, something. So I've just always been in that mind frame because I had no choice. So it is now 8:13, and I've already washed some clothes. And because it's kind of gloomy and rainy outside, the temperature is nice. I'm in South Florida, but it just feels like I want some porridge. So my favorite porridge is plantain porridge, but I don't have any green plantain right now. So I'll probably just do cornmeal. And many of our crackers neither. Jeez, tell me, comment below if you feel like the washing machine just does not wash white clothes nicely. I don't feel like it washes white clothes nicely, so I am still very traditional when washing my white clothes. I put them in a pan and I make sure to scrub it first, bleach out first, cakes out first, put it in the sun and make it soak out first, and then I put it in the washing machine because I have a house full of boys and men, and no pun intended. I have a house full of boys and men, and I just hate to see a dirty foot, dirty socks, or white socks, dirty socks on the bottom. You know what I'm talking about. Or I hate to see like white merino, white wife beater, white undershirt, whatever you call it, dirty. So, comment below if you have any more tricks that I don't know of. But yeah, I'm very traditional when washing my clothes, especially white clothes, because I just do not feel like the washing machine does any justice in making sure they are sparkling and clean. And the closest thing to God is cleanliness, and we can't let my family out here not being godly or godly like. Have some things to juice up because I don't want this pine to spoil, and it's definitely on its way, dear. I just hate to repurchase things without using what I have already. So my son and I love pineapple juice, so I'm going to juice these. Also, I love to speak to God at this time and just vibes out. So that's what we are doing.
I made a heart, and I saved it for you, but it broke. And when it broke, they put it back together. And I tried to make it back on the wall.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. I hope you're doing well. Did you sleep good? I am on a nature walk with my children, and I love to take a moment just to share that with you because I know during this time it's so easy to get seasonal depression. It's so easy to forget what it feels like to have the sun on our faces and just start the day fresh. We have to rush and do everything. If you're living in a colder climate, we have to rush and do everything before 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and sometimes we just forget that better will come. So instead of us just doing a nature walk together, I would love for you to join us. So if you feel like you just need a breath of fresh air, this is for you, girl. I understand.
Frustrated. I'm trying to listen to God. I got my own flesh pulling me here, my own desires, my family, my friends. All these things is distracting me from the truth, and it's difficult to give in. But if you can go through it, you'll come out like gold. If I can go through the fire. They don't want to go through the fire. They want to lotto and go to Jamaica and the Bahamas and do their own selfish thing. But he said, if you wait till I exalt you, I give you the desires of your heart. You know what I'm saying? Everybody in a hurry. I don't know where they going, but when they get there, oh, they're going to be sorry. The faster you try to get there, that career, that money, and you're going to figure it out that, man, it was the journey. It was not the destination. You was in a hurry to get there, to come up, to be this, to be that. And when you get there, you're going to feel discouraged more than you did before you even started to get there. Because it was the journey, the people that you didn't stop to talk to like me, the people at the gas station. You was in a hurry to get there, but it's the journey, not the destination. Because the destination is steadily evolving. We always growing in wisdom and knowledge and understanding. It's always evolving.